Hey everyone, it's Gianna Lum at Kavitsi Crypto, where we keep you in the loop on all the latest trends and news on crypto and blockchain technology. Today, I have a super quick update for the Cardano community. Something big is happening soon in Europe. As always though, this video is not an endorsement for any project on Cardano in any way. Please do your research before investing in anything. Alright, let's dive into the news today. Here's a tweet. The Cardano Foundation, the nonprofit arm of the Cardano blockchain, tweeted, announcing Cardano Summit 2025. Join us in Berlin on the 12th to 13th of November to celebrate Cardano and explore the future of enterprise blockchain. 75 plus speakers, bold ideas, and real impact. Sign up for the early access list now at summit.cardano.org. The Cardano Summit is coming up in November in Berlin, and if you can't make it to Germany, there'll be a bunch of little community events. I personally will probably do one in New York. Why attend? Connect with renowned industry leaders and learn how your organization can explore blockchain's potential. Unlock actionable insights. Hear how blockchain is actively addressing real business challenges from 75 plus speakers. Forge valuable connections. Meet 800 plus executives, regulators, entrepreneurs, and technology experts interested in collaborative innovation. Understand key trends. Learn how blockchain, AI, and digital identity intersect, and what this means for your organization's future. So you might be wondering who's attending and what kinds of people will benefit from this. The Cardano Summit is ideal for strategic decision makers and technology leaders driving innovation within their organizations, including CIOs, SVP, IT, and CTOs, Chief Data Officers, CISOs, Chief Digital Officers, VPs of Application Development, VPs of Transformation and Innovation, regulators and policymakers, and top projects building on Cardano. So if this sounds like you, or if you're just a blockchain enthusiast, this could be your event. This is how you sign up. Right now, you can join the early access list, and if you do that, you'll be the first to receive notifications, and you'll get the lowest price on tickets. I hope this information was helpful for you. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you think you'll be attending in Berlin? And if not, where would you like to see a Cardano community event locally? Let me know your thoughts. If you enjoyed this content and have any women in your life who want to learn about crypto, I have a special course for them. It's called Crypto Confidence for the Working Woman. Right now, my data shows that 97% of my viewers are men, and that's gotta change. I want crypto to be for everybody, so this course is specifically for women. Eventually it might expand, but I want more and more people to get onboarded onto Cardano and learn the benefits of it. So if you have anybody in your life who is a woman and wants to learn about crypto, send them my way. Right now the course is only $27. And as always, if you see any crypto scams in the comments or in the ads, please report them. There's so many fake airdrops, fake giveaways, and people pretending to be financial advisors, and we've got to make sure everybody in the crypto community remains safe. That's it for us today. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment your thoughts. Feel free to share this with your friends with this content, and I'll see you next time, everyone. Bye!